I spent 3 weeks interviewing 47 mechanics. Asked one question: what Silverado year do you never see in your shop? The answers were identical. And one of them will surprise you. Look, mechanics don't lie about these things. Know why? Because they make money when cars break. If they're saying certain years don't have problems, it's because they really don't. They're leaving money on the table just to tell the truth. And subscribe to the channel, because today you're going to discover exactly which years to buy if you want a Silverado that'll never leave you stranded. Let's get straight to it. Number 5. 2008 Silverado. Every mechanic I talked to said the same thing. That one only shows up here for oil changes. Know why? Because 2008 was the last year before GM started cutting costs on everything. Last year with quality parts, German bearings, Japanese seals, American bolts. A mechanic in Colorado told me, "I have a customer with an '08 that has 340,000 miles. Never replaced anything except fluids, not even brake pads yet." The engine from that era? Basically indestructible. The transmission? Works so smooth you forget it's there. And the best part? It's still cheap on the market. For now.
Number 4. 2013 Silverado. This is where it gets interesting. 2013 was the last year of the old generation. And know what that means? GM had already fixed all the problems from that generation. 7 years of feedback, 7 years of improvements. Mechanic in Dallas told me, the 2013 is the best kept secret. People buy 2014 thinking it's better, but the 2013, that one doesn't come back to the shop. And there's a bizarre detail. 2013 owners simply don't sell. Ever notice that? Try finding a well-kept 2013. It's almost impossible because those who have them know what they have. The transmission from that era was still the old one, tested for years. Engine without electronic gimmicks, robust suspension, it's the perfect combination.
Number 3. 2004 Silverado. Veteran mechanic in Texas told me, "Son, I've worked on trucks for 38 years. If I had to buy one Silverado to use for the rest of my life, it'd be the 2004. Why? Brutal simplicity. You can fix this truck with basic tools. No computer, no scanner, just wrenches and common sense. There are farmers who have 2004s with over 500,000 miles. 500,000. Original engine, original transmission, original differential. Just basic maintenance." A mechanic told me something I'll never forget. The 2004 was built to work for 30 years. The new ones are built to last until the warranty runs out. And look, he's not wrong. This truck is from an era where reputation mattered more than profit.
Number 2. 2018 Silverado. And this one will surprise you. But it's recent. Exactly. That's why nobody expects it to be so reliable. 2018 was a magic year. GM had perfected everything from that generation. Engine running for years without problems. Transmission already with all updates. Electrical system finally stable. Mechanics in Michigan told me, "I have an 18 in my shop's fleet. 180,000 miles. Zero problems. Zero. Not even a light bulb burned out." And there's another point. Many of these still have active extended warranties, but they don't need them. They simply don't break. If you want a new truck, but one that won't give you headaches, 2018, no discussion. All mechanics agreed on this.
And number 1, the unbeatable 2006 Silverado. All 47 mechanics put this one at the top, no exceptions. One of them told me, "If the 2006 Silverado didn't exist, would I have to close my shop? No, but I'd make 30% less. This truck simply doesn't break. Doesn't matter how you use it, doesn't matter if you maintain it properly or forget about it. It keeps running." The engine from that era is legendary. Transmission is immortal. Electrical system is simple and functional. Suspension handles world and back. There's a mechanic in Wyoming who bets with customers. "Bring me an '06 with a serious problem and I'll fix it for free." Know how many times he lost that bet? 0 in 8 years.
And here's the secret nobody talks about. 2006 was built to compete with Ford when Ford dominated. GM put real money into this truck, the best materials, the best engineers. Result? A truck that 19 years later still humiliates many new ones.
5 years, approved by those who live this every day. Which one do you have or want? Comment below. Leave a like if this helped. And next week, the 5 years mechanics refuse to work on. See you then.